Welcome back to Vintage Nook. If you love cozy cottagecore aesthetics, vintage charm, and budget-friendly decorating ideas, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into beautiful and affordable ways to refresh your home with a touch of springtime cottagecore. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get started. Eggshells aren't just for composting, they can be the perfect mini planters for your cottagecore home. Simply clean out the shells, add a bit of soil, and plant tiny flowers, succulents, or herbs. Place them in an egg carton for a charming and delicate display on your kitchen windowsill. Transform old floral sheets into romantic, flowy curtains. The soft, faded patterns add a nostalgic cottagecore touch to any room. Simply sew a simple hem or use clip-on curtain rings for an effortless and budget-friendly window makeover. A thrifted wooden tray can become a stunning decorative centerpiece. Arrange candles, a small stack of vintage books, and a handful of dried flowers or fresh herbs. Place it on your coffee table or dining area for a cozy, collected over time aesthetic. Embroidery is a beautiful way to add personalized, handcrafted charm to your home. Use soft pastel thread to stitch floral designs or meaningful quotes onto fabric, then frame them in wooden hoops. Hang them on the walls for a delicate and timeless cottagecore feel. Step outside and gather wildflowers from your own backyard or a nearby park. Arrange them in a rustic pitcher, mason jar, or an upcycled bottle for an effortless and free way to bring spring indoors. These wild blooms will add a fresh, natural beauty to your space. Upcycle plain candle holders by wrapping them with lace, twine, or even pressed flowers. This easy DIY project brings a soft, romantic glow to your space, making your home feel even cozier during spring evenings. Give old terracotta pots a fresh makeover by painting them in soft white or pastel colors. For an extra cottagecore touch, use a sponge to add a weathered vintage effect. These charming planters will brighten up any garden, windowsill, or tabletop. Hang fresh herbs like rosemary, lavender, and thyme upside down on a rustic wooden rod or peg rack. Not only will it look charming, but you'll also have easy access to fragrant, dried herbs for cooking and tea making. Swap out plain pillow covers for floral printed ones. You can thrift vintage fabric or even repurpose old dresses or tablecloths to create soft, cozy cushions that bring a burst of spring to your living space. A floral tablecloth instantly adds charm to any dining setup. Check thrift stores for vintage linen with soft pastel florals. Layer it with lace or a solid colored runner for a dreamy farmhouse-inspired table setting. Instead of tossing old tin cans, repurpose them into rustic plant pots. Wrap them in burlap, decoupage them with floral paper, or simply paint them in soft hues. These make the perfect little homes for flowers, herbs, or succulents. A simple thrifted or DIY birdhouse can add character to your garden. Paint it in muted pastel colors and place it on your porch or among your plants to invite birds and bring life to your springtime cottagecore setting. Old window frames make beautiful rustic wall decor. Use them as picture frames, a base for floral wreaths, or even as a small decorative shelf. Their weathered wood adds to the charm of a vintage-inspired home. Layering soft, floral, or faded vintage rugs creates a cozy, well-loved look. Mix and match different patterns and textures to add warmth and personality to your floors without breaking the bank. Give an old lampshade a cottagecore refresh by adding lace trimmings, beads, or even small fabric flowers. The gentle glow through delicate fabric creates a romantic and soft lighting effect for cozy evenings. Personalize plain napkins by stamping them with floral prints using fabric paint. This simple, budget-friendly craft adds a whimsical handmade touch to your spring table settings. Turn vintage teacups into adorable planters for small flowers or herbs. The delicate patterns and curved handles make these unique pieces of decor perfect for tabletops, shelves, or kitchen counters. Hang woven baskets on the wall or from the ceiling to store anything from dried flowers to fresh produce. They add rustic charm while also serving as a practical storage solution. Sew small sachets from scrap fabric and fill them with dried lavender, rose petals, or chamomile. These fragrant pouches can be placed in drawers, on pillows, or near doorways for a subtle and refreshing spring aroma. A simple wooden peg rack is perfect for hanging dried flowers, linen aprons, or woven hats. Not only does it add to the aesthetic, but it also keeps everyday cottagecore essentials beautifully displayed. I hope this video has given you some inspiration to create a charming and budget-friendly spring refresh for your home. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vintage Nook for more cozy home decor ideas, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to add a touch of vintage charm to your space? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.